This quick honest review is of the Roselyn Boutique Derma Roller. Let me show you. So this is a Derma Roller from Roselyn Boutique. It's a 0.25 micron sizing of the rollers. You can see there. It's used for face, scalp, and beard roller. Overall, the product seems to be decent quality, easy to hold. Little area there for your finger for more control, and you can just rub it over the or roll it over the skin surface, like on your face or your scalp. Very lightweight. They do come in, there are, with the Derma rollers, there are different sizes of the actual, the rollers themselves. I said this one's a 0.25, which I read was good for sort of to help with hair regrowth, so for use on the scalp. And overall, yeah, just seems a decent quality product. This price point really inexpensive, is $9. So yeah, not certainly not going to break the bank, and yeah, definitely worth trying. They do come in different colors. I just like the black. They do come in it's black with the blue roller. There are ones with black and a black roller. And yeah, so a couple of different colors there as well. There's like a gray, there's a matte black as well. So yeah, worth trying out derma rolling. You can read up more about that, more about it online. And I recommend this product. Yeah, it's worth certainly worth $9 to try it out. So thanks for watching. Quick honest reviews.